In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add QuillBot to Google Chrome. Install QuillBot extension for better writing. First, open your Chrome browser and head to Google. This keeps things simple and ensures you're starting from a clean, familiar place. If Chrome isn't already open, launch it now, then go to google.com in the address bar. We're going to use a quick search to find the official extension page. In the Google search box, type QuillBot extension and press enter. You'll see several results, but we're looking for the listing that takes you to the Chrome Web Store. This is the safest and most reliable source for Chrome extensions. If you see a result that includes Chrome Web Store in the link and clearly mentions QuillBot, that's the one you want. Click the Chrome Web Store result to open the QuillBot extension page. Here, you can glance at the description, screenshots, and user reviews to confirm you're on the official listing. When you're ready, look for the button near the top right that says Add to Chrome and click it. Chrome will immediately prompt you to confirm. Select Add extension in the confirmation pop-up. Chrome will download and install the extension automatically. This may take a moment, so be patient. The time depends on your internet speed. When the installation finishes, Chrome will let you know the extension has been added. From this point, the extension is installed and ready to help with your writing. Now, a quick overview of what QuillBot brings to your browser. QuillBot is an online writing tool focused on rewriting and improving text. Its standout feature is paraphrasing. It can rewrite sentences or entire passages while keeping the original meaning. You can choose from different writing modes, such as standard, fluency, formal, or creative, to control the tone and style, which is helpful whether you're polishing an email or refining an academic paragraph. It also includes grammar and spell check. As you work, it spots grammar errors, spelling issues, and common writing mistakes, helping you clean up drafts quickly without switching between tools. QuillBot's summarizing feature is great for research and reading. It can condense longer text into concise summaries, either as key sentences or a paragraph-style overview, so you get the main ideas faster without losing the context. Finally, there's a citation generator that automatically formats citations in popular styles like APA, MLA, and Chicago. This is especially useful for students and professionals who need accurate references without manual formatting. That's it. You've installed the QuillBot extension in Chrome, and you know what it can do to elevate your writing. Thanks for watching, and enjoy smoother, smarter writing with QuillBot.